Present participle is first form of verb and ing. This structure of verb is called present participle, and it is used as an adjective, not as a verb. So waiting area and barking dogs, winning team, cheating man, failed scheme, purchased items, demolished building, burnt jungle, tired man, a published book, burnt papers, a broken mirror. The word broken is third form of verb, but here this hasn't been used as a function verb. It has been used as a quality verb that tells as a quality word that tells us about the condition of mirror. The mirror is broken. Tired man, a tired man. Tired is first form of verb. When we say tired, it is third form of verb and it is an adjective. So likewise, let me tell you one more thing here, that you can use nouns also to describe nouns. For example, party dress, a party dress. Here party is also noun, name of a function, and dress is name of a cloth that we wear. So party dress, these are two nouns which together make a phrase. Party dress means a dress for parties. So party is also noun and dress is also noun. So both are noun words and together they make a phrase, a dress for a party. You can use both verbs and nouns as adjectives. A haunted house is a clean placed operated patient. Operated tells us about the patients. That what type of patient these are? These are the patients who have been operated. Who have been operated means doctor has done his job with patients and now they are in the recovery stage. They have been operated. So operated here is third form of verb, which is called past participle, means the third form of verb, which has been used as an adjective. A published book, published word tells us about something that has been published. For example, a published news, a published magazine, a published book, a published story. Playing area, sleeping dress, swimming dress, dirty water. Now dirty water is simple adjective. Dirty is adjective and it is not a word that has been made with verb. Dirty is not verb, so it is simple adjective. And when we use verbs, whether it is first form of verb and ing or third form of verb, when we use verbs as adjectives, we call them participles. Present participle or past participle. Past participles are third forms of verb. Present participles are first form of verb and ing, and they are used before nouns. Swimming dress, sleeping dress, playing area, laughing girls, caring mother, worried mother, polluted water, running water, a talking parrot, chirping sparrows, a racing car, a broken mirror, a tired man, rising sun, a published book, burnt papers, purchased items, a ruling party, demolished building, a published book, burnt papers, rising sun, a tired man, a broken mirror, a racing car, chirping sparrows, a talking parrot, running water, the polluted water, worried mother, caring mother, laughing girls, playing area, sleeping dress, swimming dress, winning team, barking dogs, waiting area, walking track, cooked food, operated patients, a cleaned place, a haunted house. You can use both verbs and nouns as adjectives. When we say operated patient, we are using verb operate as adjective. Operated means we have used here third form of operate, operated. Cleaned is the third form of clean. Haunted is the third form of haunt. third form of haunt. Walking is the first form of verb with ing. It is called present participle. Walking track. Cooked is the third form of cook. Cooked food. Winning team. First form of verb win and ing. Present participle. Barking dog. First form of verb bark and ing. And dogs. Barking dogs. Dogs that bark. I hope it was helpful. Please subscribe to my channel.